Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So we're back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring Asteria hair. Big shout out to Asteria hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today I have this pre-styled, pre-bleached, pre-cut, pre-braided, literally pre-everything lace front wig, and I am obsessed. The parting, so clean. The styling, everything about this wig is amazing. I absolutely love it. It's thick all the way down to the ends, as you can see, and it is very soft. Inside you have full parting space, and there are combs and an elastic band with silicone grip. Look at that look against the skin. This wig looks so good that as soon as you put it on, you can tell you can wear this completely glueless. Like, look at how good this looks. This is without any spray, any glue, nothing, not even makeup. It blends so well. This has to be some of the best lace, but when I think about it, Asteria always has really good lace. So they're known for having great lace quality. So keep it up. We love that. So I went in and I decided to cut ear tabs because this is a pre-cut frontal, but they do still leave you lace to cut your ear tabs. And I like that because everyone is different when it comes to that. So I like that they let you still do that yourself. So I go in with my ORS wig grip because I like to adhere my wigs. Glueless is cute. Don't get me wrong. I love a good glueless wig. But me, I like to spray them down. So this was really easy to adhere because the lace was so thin. I didn't even have to use the melt band. The melt band more so was just to push the lace down even further. But as soon as I sprayed it and I used my handheld fan, the lace stuck to my skin and it was already giving scalp. Okay? Scalp. So the thing about these wigs, after you try a wig like this, you're never going to want to go back to anything that you have to customize, bleach, pluck. Why would you want to do any of that when they have wigs like this out? Like, honestly, I'm obsessed. They do have this in a few different lengths as well as density. You can get this in the 180 or the 250. So like I said, check the description box for all the details if you want to purchase this wig. I absolutely love this. Plus, these styles were trending for a while and not everyone knows how to do these type of braids. So I'm just going to go ahead and install this. There's not much to it. Everything is done for you. So it's just a matter of gluing it down or wearing it glueless. And then I did use the flat iron just to run the heat through it to get it super straight, because as you can see, this hair is just silky and beautiful. The lace needed no tweaking. I did not have to put any makeup at all, and I have to keep saying that because this blended with my skin so well. It was a really, really easy install. Also, I did cut ear tabs, not ear tabs. I did do like little baby hairs near the ear tab because you don't have to, because the way this wig is styled, you can actually cover your ears and you won't see it. But because I know I would want to like put my hair behind my ears, I decided to cut little baby hairs right by the ear tab. So that is optional. You don't have to do that. I do have this in a medium cap size. That's another thing that I like about Asteria hair. They have different wig cap sizes. So if you have a small head, you can get a small cap. I always do medium, average, and it always fits really well. I also love that this is full parting. So if you want to take these braids out, or eventually when you do take the braided style out, you have full range parting across the entire frontal. With this bomb pluck job and this hairline, do you know how many styles you could get with this? Man, listen. Get you one of these, okay? You will not be disappointed. Big shout out to Asteria hair. All links will be down below. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.
me down like gravity.
We on the front page of them blogs. Would you be mad at me if the whole world knew this we was on? Would be tragedy. My niggas be globe trotting like travel teams. You always in my travel dream. Lace up.